Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a cosplay unboxing and it is my first ever VTuber cosplay. I'm super excited for it. And yeah, I'm remembering my scissors this time. I'm super excited. Let's get on to it. I have my handy dandy box or bag package. Yes. Okay. If you have any, or I'm not gonna say who it is. I'm gonna see if any of you guys have a guess on who it is before, like, it's obvious. So yeah, let's get on to it. Let me see if I can do this where you guys can see. Right in front of the camera. Okay, let's go. It's open. Yay. Here we go. Most important part. The wig. Whoa. I can't wait to style. Part out. Okay. Cosplay. We have the top. Hasn't been given away yet. We have the harness piece. A little furlies. The name badge. More part of harness boat. A patch. More harness. I want to say this is the leg thing. And leg warmer. We have the skirt. Oh man, that's so cool. Like, look at this. Jacket. Love the inside. Here is the back. I low-key want to try this on now because I can. So I think I am gonna go and try this on now. So yeah. It's on. Almost 1 or 360. Thank you, mirror in the background, for helping for the full view. Yeah. Minus the wig, obviously. Beepo! I'm so excited. This looks so good. Oh my goodness. And I don't have everything on. Just like the basic stuff. I'm so excited. Looks so good. And it's super comfortable. Surprisingly, like, this jacket is nice. Really nice. I am obsessed with this cosplay. And I'm so excited to do the wig and like do a full-on photo shoot. I'm so excited. Yeah. So, yeah. If you liked what you saw, that it's cute, all that fun jazz, make sure to like and subscribe. Give this video thumbs ups. Yay. Share it if you want. All that fun stuff. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you in my next video.